Failed to load the JNI shared library on starting Eclipse. I downloaded the latest version of Eclipse, but I cannot start it. The error message I get is failed to load the JNI shared library C:\program white space files white space left parenthesis x86 right parenthesis /java /jdk 1.6.0 underscore 20 bin jre bin client jvm.dll. How do I fix this? I use 64-bit Windows, 32-bit JDK, and downloaded 64-bit Eclipse.
This usually happens if you have a 32 versus 64-bit mismatch between the installed JDK and Eclipse versions. Your version of Eclipse is trying to access a 32-bit JDK, as indicated by C:\program files, x86, but either fails because Eclipse is expecting a 64-bit JDK or because the 32-bit JDK is missing. Consequently, you'll need to make sure to match the Eclipse and JDK versions bitwise accordingly.
If you have downloaded 64-bit Eclipse and a 64-bit JDK tree, check the availability of javor.exe for 64-bit. In my case it was in C:\program files /java /tree6 bin. I have extracted Eclipse to the C:\Eclipse folder, within that the eclipse.ini file is available. Replace the contents of that file with the following. Leave the new line in between the VM flag and the value. It worked for me.
I had a 64-bit Eclipse and 32-bit Java and had the same issue. After installing 64-bit Java and updating system path, no issues.
I had installed both JDK and Eclipse 64-bit versions, but had the same issue. Finally, I discovered that my %path %system variable didn't include the folder. Don't forget to change it to the correct folder where your JDK /bin is installed. Worked for me.
Eclipse 소리해요. 이 코스의 인스크린